Hi friends, hope all are safe and healthy in this epidemic. I thanks to the organizing team of Celtic Note of Wikimedia Language Conference for giving me this opportunity to present my video in this event. My topic for you all is participatory leadership and education sharing in Santali Wikipedia. Hello. My Wikipedia community is very small and younger community, and it will complete its second anniversary on 2nd August just after 23 days from now. What I will be saying is about my experiment and experience in my community that I am working for the last 3 years. Hence, all my conclusions shall be applicable only for smaller communities. Sharing knowledge in Wikipedia is imperative, but this will not be effective if the community will not sustain. For the community to sustain, the community must have the effective leadership. So let's see how the leadership mean to us and how we have worked. According to us and according to the perspective of our community, the participatory leadership means to involve the contributors so as to involve them and allow them for continuous growth of our Wikipedia community. In a well-established or a larger community, one may not need the chain of leaders, or in such organization the community moves spontaneously as there are a larger number of active contributors and moderators. For a smaller community like Santali Wikipedia, many often absence of a good contributor can be easily felt, and if two or more active contributors go on inactive, it badly affects the community. Again, fear is also there in a smaller community that inactive contributors may motivate the rest of the members for inactiveness. For all these reasons, we need to build up the qualities of leadership among every user so that each one can substitute anyone absence to move forward the community. The ultimate objective is to keep the project alive forever. In other words, in a smaller community, we always need sharing of leadership to move forward. Let's see how we have tried to build the leadership. In order to have a new leadership, we have a certain thumb rule. In order to survive the organizations and for better forward movement, a leader must have attitude to create another leader, and organization must have sufficient space for that. Sharing knowledge and responsibility of organization among members, respective input of the members, it should be ensured every user is heard properly. There is no gap between any user, that is either between old or new user. No one is treated differently. Friendly and healthy atmosphere in the community will be a primary element for moving forward the community. The cycle of whole process begins from the first day of registration of a new user. We have two options to make the community move forward. One, make the contributors dedicated, and another is to recognize the contributions of the dedicated contributors. On the first entry of a user, we try to get connected through talk page. Later on through social media, basically on Facebook. We keep watching and judging his activities in the history of Wikipedia page. If the contributor seems positive and responsive, we bring her to our messenger group, where we have several other users, where each one get connected with each other, learn from each other, and each one can raise their issue and can directly resolve the issue. It is the place where one is well nurtured about the rules and policy of the community and also develops the skills for contributing articles in Wikipedia. But the task doesn't end here. We need to keep the momentum maintained. Therefore, we need to recognize and reward those who are contributing. Editathon and WhatsApp are the best platform where one can better recognize and reward it. Here, new user will be recognized by their contribution, and old will have the opportunity to take the responsibility and leadership by organizing Editathon or by being a jury of the Editathon, or sometime delegated any significant role as organizer. In a year, we conduct several Editathon and WhatsApp. We always rotate the jury and organizers of the event from our community. While doing so, we take care and consider the past contribution. We always ensure everyone get equal and sufficient opportunity of leadership. While undertaking this task, we take care that no one is imposed or compelled for any of the work assigned. Though after assigning any work to anybody, the role and responsibility doesn't confine with him. The working culture are developed in such a way that other can assist and as and when required. This makes a new leader more comfortable while taking responsibility. Sometimes success stories of some of the leading user in social media like Facebook is also very much motivating and inspiring one. Sometimes discussion with the new user over the phone is also much more helpful. By the practice, what we have got in last 3 years, that our community is now very much free, open and collaborative. Our active users are growing with equal potential to lead the Wiki movement. Each of the active users has taken responsibility for the community. Our community is growing step by step and smoothly. With this, I end my presentation. Hope you all have liked my video and hope this will be useful for all the smaller community. Thank you. Have a nice day.